Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will present to you our company, Anak Bulan, which is an online bus ticketing system. Why we built our program? First of all, I would like to introduce our team members. Me, myself, Fajrul Farihin bin Mohammad Bokhori, Ku Muhammad Fitri bin Ku Zamri, and Aiman Hakim bin Abdul Kalim Kanga. Like I said earlier, why we built our web, our online bus ticketing system. The first problem that we found nowadays is majority of the bus station have a narrow window services, which is they only open for service start from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. only, which is a restricted time frame for any customer to visit or to purchase any ticket for their trips. Next one is user need to physically visit bus station. Maybe user located far away from the bus station, and when the user go all the way to visit the bus station to do their services, they need to be in a long queues, which take too much time and too much effort. And lastly is inconsistent updates or occurrence. Majority of bus station, there's been this problem where two different person book the same ticket, book the same trip for the same seat, which is inconsistent updates and occurrence of the ticket payment. For this is why we built our project to counter all of that problem. Our project objective is, first and for all, is extended operating hours. By putting our business online in web, we can extend our operating hours not for only 9 to 10 p.m. but for 24 hours. It will available 24 hours for any customer who want to purchase bus ticket. Next one is ticket purchasing process efficiency. Just like I said earlier, user need to drive all the way to bus station. Maybe they're located far away and they need to be a long queue. By using our Anak Bulan online bus ticketing system, user doesn't need to go anywhere. Just stay in your home with a help of internet connection. They can just buy a bus ticket. No long queue and time efficiency. Lastly is data integrity improvement. With Anak Bulan, we promise that there will never be data redundancy happening in our system, so user can believe in our system, because we using system database rather than all system file based using by all bus station. Next one, I will show our Anak Bulan ERD system. First and for all, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 table. We got user, ticket, trip, destination, book, driver, and bus. For user, primary key for user is user ID, and the attribute are username, user address, and user phone number. For ticket table, we got primary key, ticket ID, ticket time, ticket date, user ID, and trip ID as the foreign key. For trip table, we got trip ID as a primary key, and the attributes are trip date, trip time. Destination table, destination ID as the primary key, destination name as the attribute. Book table is a bridge conjunction between trip table and bus table. So the primary key / foreign key for book table is trip ID, bus ID, and the attribute are book ID. Lastly, destination as the foreign key for book table. For driver table, we got driver ID as the primary key, driver name, driver phone number as the attribute, and foreign key is bus ID. And for the bus table, we got bus ID as the primary key and bus plate number as the attribute. So user table connected to ticket by one to many, ticket and trip by one to many also. and trip to bus is many to many, so we need to build a bridge conjunction, which is book, and book to destination is one to many. Alright, for the next part is web demonstration. We need to be in index.jsp and run. Let's try to run our web. As you can see, this is our first page that will show up for user. So I would like to address that we got our URL localhost 8080 anak bulan index.jsp. Alright, this is the first page that will pop up for our user. So let's say I am a new user. I want to use the anak bulan bus ticketing system. I will press sign up. Oh, before that, I would like to show you. We got our logo here, anak bulan, and we press sign up and put my username. My name is Fajrul. My email is fajrul@gmail.com, and my password are Fajrul11. Wait, let me reassure that. Fajrul11 and sign up. Alright, let's put my username Fajrul, which is my name, my password Fajrul11, and press login. We also have a back to home, which is back to login or sign up option. Press login. Alright, this is our dashboard, and we got our logo here, which with our company name anak bulan and logout button. This is just like you can see, every user who put their name in, there will be this welcome Fajrul. So if I put my name is Fitri, it will say welcome Fitri. Alright, let's say I'm an admin. So if I want to log out, I can just press this log out. So I'm an admin for the anak bulan, which is I am. Press login for admin, we press login, and admin we got a fixed username and fixed password for admin, which is admin as their username, and the password are admin123. Wait, let me reassure that. Admin123. Press login. So you can see, we as an admin, they will say welcome admin, and this is our dashboard. There are some button that only available for user, and some button are only available for admin.
Okay, so for admin, as Fajrul said earlier, there are some page that is available for user and some are available for admin and some are for both. For both is view schedules, which display a read function, which is this shows bus schedules. So this is the schedule that is available right now. So okay, so buy ticket is also available for both, because if admin want to see is there any error or see any potential of update in the buy ticket form. Okay, after that is create schedule. So the admin can choose any of bus that they can put. For example, bus ID 3, and then let's say schedule 25 July on 10:30 AM. Okay, after that also the same date, which is 25, arrive at 7 PM. Okay, so from location we can put like Pudu to Kangar. Okay, Okay, we can create the schedule, and then it's auto redirect to the bus schedules, and it is updated, which is this one. Schedule ID 21, bus ID 3. So the departure time, the arrival time from location to location. Okay, so after that is admin can register a driver, which is, for example, Kamal, and the license number, let's say that. Okay, so register, and the admin can go to the driver list, and the Kamal appear on the list of bus driver. And also the admin can delete the bus driver like that. Okay, after that is update schedule. Okay, which is not updated yet in the update schedule. Also the same for the remove schedule. Okay, so let's go to the receipt history. So this is appear on the admin because the admin can make like a report for sales or loss. So it can review the user that has been booked the ticket. So this is the seat number, schedule ID. Okay, so let's go for user. In. Okay, let's say Fajrul. And then my password. So for the normal user, so the normal user can also view the schedule. So this is the schedule that available right now, is updated. Okay, so let's say I want to buy a ticket. So click the buy ticket button, and let's say like my name is Fajrul Farihin. So I can select the available schedule. For example, I want to go from Pudu to Kangar. Okay, click that, select the seat. So let's say that all the seats are available right now because I booked earlier. So seat 11, then buy ticket. So this is the receipt. We have to screenshot it and show it to the bus driver for confirmation. Okay, so next is receipt history. So for example, this is all my account that I have buy. So I use the same account, but I buy for different people. So this is the recent receipt. Okay, let's say that the user want to go to the create schedule page. So let's go to the create schedule. So this will pop up, which is the access denied page. So it means it shows that a warning message which you do not have the permission to access this page. So they can return to the dashboard. Same for the registered driver. Same for the driver list.
Now we are moving to the last part, which is MVC, models, views, and controllers. Models is represent the data and the business logic of the application. They interact with the database and handle data-related operations. Next is views, is define how the data is presented to the user. They are the user interface of the application, displaying information from the model in a readable format. And the last is the controllers, which act as an intermediary between models and views. They process user inputs, update the model, and return the updated views to the user. Next, we look at the MVC source code. We have the bus model. We have bus.java, driver.java, schedule.java, ticket, and user. Next is the view, which is bus DOA, driver DOA, schedule, ticket DOA, and the user DOA. And the last one is the controller, which is servlet. We have buy ticket, create schedule, delete driver, schedule, delete schedule, driver list, list receipt, login, register driver, sign up, update driver servlet, and the view schedule.java. So let's say we are taking the ticket.java under the bus model. So this is the source code. These are the implementation between for the ticket under the MVC. This is the model for the ticket. And then we move on to the ticket DOA under the view, which is the user interface. So user to have to enter the information. And last is the servlet or the controller, which is by ticket.java. So this is the views source code. And this is the implementation, one of the implementation for the MVC, for the ticket, for models, views, and controllers.